Okay, here now, Kayla Mann. She is the Director of Sales and Marketing for McDantim. Give us a rundown on what is it that McDantim does for distributors.
So we manufacture on-site mixed gas blenders to help end users reduce their amount of pre-mixed cylinders that they have on site. We find that pre-mixed cylinders can be costly and kind of messy for some of the end users to move around, and it can cause safety problems. We're trying to make sure that we have the best custom blends and custom panels for our customers and end users possible. We've been in business for 35 years, and it's our anniversary, so we're really excited.
All right, very good. So next question would be like, all right, looking back to 2023 or ahead to 2024, is there anything specific that you want distributors to either know about or keep an eye out for?
I guess, we just offer as much customization for our customers and end users as possible. So if we have our standard units and that doesn't fit our customers' needs, we can do whatever possible to help everybody mix their own solution.
All right, any last thoughts for the people that didn't make it? And is there anything here that you want to show them?
Well, we're sorry you didn't make it because we have our new Weld Choice panel that debuted last year. This is our Weld Choice panel. It is a cylinder-mounted unit that goes onto a welding cart. All you have to do is have your pure gases on the welding cart of CO2 and argon, and then your welder has the opportunity to choose any of the 3 preset blends and pure gases and switch processes without having to move cylinders around. So it cuts a lot of that time out and a lot of the energy, so the welder can just switch processes and keep going.
All right. There you have it. Quick update from Kayla. Always good to see you at GAWDA events, and we thank you for everything that you do for us throughout the year. And stay tuned for more from McDantim.
Thank you, Tim. It's so great to be here.